Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a channel public in Slack step by step. Making a channel public allows other Workspace members to discover and join the channel, helping improve collaboration and communication. So let's get started. First, open Slack on your computer or mobile device. Next, sign into your Slack workspace if you haven't already. From the left sidebar, select the private channel you want to make public. Once the channel is open, click the channel name at the top of the conversation window. This will open the Channel Details panel. Next, click the Settings tab. Scroll down until you find the Change to Public Channel option. Click Change to Public Channel to continue. Slack will display a message explaining what happens when the channel becomes public. Review the information carefully. If you're ready to proceed, click Change to Public. Confirm the action when prompted. The channel will now become public, allowing Workspace members to find and join it according to your Workspace permissions. Keep in mind that you may need Workspace owner, administrator, or channel management permissions to perform this action. And that's it. You've successfully made a channel public in Slack. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Slack tutorials and productivity tips. See you in the next video.